What I'd like to talk to you now is about resin removers. Everyone in this industry, whether it's out on the floor, on the injection molding floor, or in the tool room, you're going to be dealing with trying to clean off gas resin, or you're going to be dealing with an actual hard resin that you're trying to clean off. I have two resin removers. Actually, I have a third one, but these two are what I would recommend. This is online resin remover. It evaporates. It takes 3 times longer than a degreaser to evaporate. We also took the DAC 111 Extreme Resin Remover. This is a lot stronger, easily 5 times stronger than the 102 online. This puddle that I just sprayed on here is probably going to take about 3 hours for that to evaporate. So I want it to be sprayed onto a mold that you have, like a polyurethane, which is very hard, which online resin remover will not touch, but the polyurethane will start to be broken down by my extreme resin remover. This will break down polyurethane, which is used on the wheels of rollerblades. And Slide is the only other product that's a competitor that has a resin remover, and it will also work on this polyurethane the exact same as mine, but it only works on a smaller amount of resins than our extreme resin remover. But I could spray this Slide resin remover onto this balloon, and I could probably spray a good third of this can on before that is going to break down my balloon here. But it works out great. This extreme resin remover will work on a larger array of resins that are out there on the market. So I'm going to spray this onto the polyurethane, and I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. I'm going to let it sit for 1 minute, and then you'll see at that point that it's actually going to be softened up. Okay. All right. So this has been a full minute now. And hopefully you can see the orange on my fingertip. But that's going to be breaking down any kind of gas buildup or actual hard resin that you have with a polycarbonate or anything hard like that. There is like about 5% of the resins out there that are so highly engineered that this can't even touch. You pretty much have to melt or scrape those off. But if you've got the other 95%, this is going to make your life a heck of a lot easier, save a lot of labor. I went out to one of my clients and I said how great this worked on polyurethane, and she had 40 pieces of a mold out, and she was trying to, she was actually polishing each one of them. And we took this, sprayed it on, and she didn't give me a whole 5 seconds, and she wiped it off with her thumb. And she said, sold right now. This saved her so much labor in one day.